Did you record already?
I think that's probably a good idea. That's what I should start doing is, out of the 2 days I do personal training, I try to run one of them, but I run like 2 miles and it's slow. And should just do the elliptical and maybe the bike tomorrow or something. And then I can, and then I get to wake up. It just sucks. I have to go every month, but.
This hour's just on my tongue.
Then I went back in my car out. I didn't wash it because I do that.
This hour's
I've been wanting to do it. It's so nasty. And honestly, it looks better.
just eat it.
But like those, there's like so many hairs all over in there, and they just don't come out.
Yeah.
Straighten up in there a little bit.
Get her, Lex. Get her. Get her.
I kind of looked for him, but I haven't got it out. Mark keeps asking if I'm doing Columbus. I'm like, yeah. Apparently he's asking because I haven't signed up yet.
Eat it. Hey, shush.
Nah. Yeah, I fed them.
Cool.
This hour's stuff on my tongue. Hey.
Joey was bad today.
So, are you being bad?
She tried to eat Lexi's food. Then when I tried to snack her, she did that like she was going to bite me.
Mm-hmm.
So I went back and forth with her for a little bit and put her in her fridge. What are you doing to make Lexi bark?
She's eating the head.
Oh, you're moving too much. She doesn't like that. Give Lexi one. No, I'm just kidding. Don't.